Today, I'm transplanting volunteer plants around the garden, which means half of the work is already done. These volunteer plants reseeded themselves, popped up on their own, and all I need to do is transplant them to where I want them to grow. Volunteer plants are typically seedlings that come up from plants you grew previously and let go to seed. If the timing is right, they'll sprout in ideal conditions. No seed trays, no grow lights, no effort. A big win in the garden. I have lots of volunteers growing in the garden right now. I also have some flowers too, actually lots of flowers. Tomatoes, sweet peas. There's a tomato growing right here in the middle of the walkway. Some Johnny jump ups, borage, lots of alyssums everywhere. Poppies, snapdragons, cilantro. Step one is to learn how the seedling looks like when they sprout, or how they look like when they're very immature. Step two is transplanting. Now we want to make sure we dig wide and deep. The goal is to keep as much of the root ball intact without stressing the plant too much. Once the plants are in, we water deeply to help with the plant's transition and help with any stress. Give it a good drink of water. These plants have acclimated to the climate, to the soil, and to the weather. They're a lot tougher and more resilient, and if we didn't stress them out too much, these will absolutely thrive. And yes, because we save time having to start seeds, we got a little bit of time for garden dancing. If you're feeling overwhelmed by gardening, let nature help you out. Let things reseed, watch what comes up, and work with your garden, not against it. I hope this helps you out in the new season. Leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you, and let me know what's volunteering in your garden. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.